Don't die.
Yeah.
No, shifter on the floor. Push down and click her back. Eating it.
Today on Fellowship in Cars, I drive my 351 F250 pulling a 1969 Kaiser Jeep Wagoneer with a Buick 350 and every option you can imagine. It's a one owner and it's set for over 40 years. Dalton with Pole Barn Garage accepted a trade on it. I'm delivering it. I'm trading it for his 1984 Chevy Shorty van with a 454 and four-wheel drive. I have 1,600 miles. I have a couple days off of work. I'm coming from Georgia to Missouri. And after a lot of praying and wrenching, this Jeep fires up, drives on the trailer, and we get it delivered. There's a few hiccups, and it all starts right here on Fellowship in Cars. In previous videos, I installed spark plugs, coolant, oil and a filter, ignition components like points, battery cables, a key cylinder, wires, and a fuel pump. I have not opened this carburetor.
The heat operated tub, so I don't know if it works.
I also took the time to have some brand new tires installed on this just so I could drive it on the trailer. I don't have a car trailer and this Jeep would barely fit sitting on the rims.
First time going to gear.
Quality.
Woo!
Where you going? That's that 3/4 cam. Ooh. Ooh. Sex girl.
The bumper should touch. Good?
Perfect. You ain't got to worry about the weight distribution with that truck for this light of a load.
Yeah.
Now you need to put a little air in all the tires on the trailer.
Yeah.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to leave and the radiator just decided to go out on my truck. So I just went to O'Reilly's. I pulled out the magic money, aka the credit card, because I didn't plan for this. And I went ahead and got myself a radiator. Now, I was gonna try to chance it, but I don't want to get out in the middle of Missouri or Mississippi and not have a radiator hold on me and this thing just start leaking. So I topped off my coolant, spilt a little, and it's not leaking over here. It's leaking on this core.
Everybody ignore my ponytail, man bun, whatever you think you want to call it. Maybe I'm trying to grow my hair out like Steve Dulcich. I'm just saying, let's get past it. You need to go back and look at Travis Tritt and some of these other legends before you start judging hair. And if you didn't know, I had to shave for about a little under 10 years every day. I was in law enforcement and my hair had to meet a profile. I'm past that stage in my life. It's time to grow my hair out, and grow my beard back out, and just live life a little, live on the edge. If you are a first responder or anything like that, big thanks to anybody, military, firefighters, everybody in that type of field. I can't thank people enough like that. I've been there, I get it.
Well, I'm glad I weighed in. I'm weighing in with a steer axle of 2680, drive axle 4000. Now this is a long bed. Trailer axle 4840. So we're coming in at 11,520 pounds. And for all you truckers out there, that is how you stop at a stop sign.
If you guys pay close attention, you're going to be watching my overdrive light on and off this entire trip. Just want to get that cat out of the bag before it starts. This is a E40D, and I've been fighting this overdrive the whole trip, but I'm just trying to do good. The transmission's already been rebuilt, and it's pretty good, so might as well keep it that way.
I got 9.37 miles per gallon. That's pretty good at 11,500 pounds. Bridges. I've been by myself for a little too long. Snow's starting to come down. We're in Illinois, somewhere around exit 71 on 57.
So the truck has one new leaf spring in the front. I still have to do the driver's side leaf spring, and then I'll be doing an alignment. So pardon that steering wheel.
Missouri bound. We're coming up on St. Louis. Let me roll this window. Let me tell you something. There ain't nothing better than seeing something new and having new experiences. Coming out here delivering this Wagoneer was the best decision I made. Having a great time. Look at this snow.
In this moment, I realized that my windshield washer is not shooting out when I spray it.
And my defrost just went out. It's snowing pretty good. And it's that weird snow where it's not enough to really wet the window. It's kind of getting dry. And then it's just getting covered with road grime. All right, there's like 500 people at this Flying J. I'm gonna look under the hood. I think I found what the problem is. There's a white vacuum line that goes to a valve, and that vacuum line is kind of disintegrated, so I don't know how I'm gonna fix it. I got some tape. I don't have any more vacuum line. I might have to go in here and get a straw or something. We'll see. Let me show you what we're looking at. Right in this pigtail. Right there. Defrost is working. That's what you're here for. It's working. Go ahead. I'll try to shut this when you go back off.
It's all right.
Hey, give her hell in full drive. See if she'll spin. All four, brother, all four.
This is a little preview of some work we did. Nothing crazy. Dalton's got his hands full on the floors on this Pontiac 2+2. If you want to see more, go to Pole Barn Garage.
At that time, I would take the popcorn out of the bag.
Yeah. No, this one's got to be done like sort of right-ish. Not like all the way, but
Yeah.
a little.
What's your plan for the center?
Oh, I have that too. But I got to do these sides first because the center sits on top
underneath.
of these
Okay.
in this little recess.
Cool. Gotcha. Oh, there's a bumper sticker.
Yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
Dang, dude.
The next morning before I head back to Dalton's, I went out, disconnected the trailer, and just kind of drove around, just kind of get a feel for this area of Missouri. Here's a little preview of some stuff on Dalton's channel with his dad and myself.
This looks like the one we just bought.
Oh, gosh. It is bad.
All right, try it.
You too. Have a good one. I'm just out here trying to do some stuff, and then this wild crazy man comes pulling up.
The brakes started working. And the heat's hot.
That's impressive. Dude, that's a basic, everything works that needs to work.
I know this thing's been sitting for 20 years.
It probably has. Dalton's showing me this turd. I wonder if I'm gonna need a permit to haul crap this far though.
Stacked up about over 13.9, I think.
So tell me this, what is this van? Year and everything.
83 GMC. No, Chevy van, but GMC. Well, that van over there is what gave up all the 4x4 stuff.
Okay.
So it's 1-ton stuff. You got 14-volt full floater in the back, Dana 44 in the front, NP 205 transfer case.
Oh, good.
454 and a turbo 350.
Okay, is it cammed?
No,
Not yet. All
it's
right.
out of another van.
Just probably like an RV base.
Yeah, but it is a reman engine. So,
Okay.
Good runner.
Cool. All right. No,
Oh,
no, this is a family channel. Because some tall, handsome guy said fellowship. Armrest. It's fantastic.
Let me just put it in gear. That way it drives away.
Yes.
So I'm starting. My memory's been jogged. If you drive this, you will die.
Yes. It needs exhaust bad.
Oh yeah.
Creature here is GoPro.
Oh.
We don't have fancy equipment like you.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works. You ever stolen a GM vehicle?
No.
Okay. So you're gonna need.
Oh my gosh! Hold on. Hold on.
You're good.
It's going on Marketplace immediately.
You're gonna need this. All right. So this is your fuel pump toggle there. You know.
Yep.
All right. Then that dude there, you just slide it this way, and I think till you hit. There you go. Don't die. Yeah. No, shifter on the floor. Push down and click the back. Got it. Up.
Oh my God.
Back one.
All the way and below. Eating it. I better give him a ride. To the Blazer.
I can't breathe, dude.
She was shitting though, man.
It
was moving.
It sounded like it was getting it, man.
It was just tailing.
I can't find reverse to save my life.
Woo! Need some air.
They're wide open with that something.
I don't know where it's at, but it's staying.
I don't think it can go either way, left or right.
What you got there? 7.5.
Looks like 9 inches.